Python indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a block of code or a line of code. Indentations are very important in Python. Unlike other programming languages where indentations are used for readability sake, in Python, it is not just for readability sake. It is for readability and also it's part of the code. So for example, you can use an if statement. Want to create a variable, say maybe a is equals to 5. I want to check if a is equals to 5. And then we put a colon, right? We have to indent from on this line 4. We have to indent before we can write any line of code that should run when this condition is true, because that's how the interpreter expects it. If you put it this way, as you can see, it's already showing red. That's because it expected an indented block. So that is how indentation works in Python. It's also like that for loop. So let's say we have a list of items, maybe an empty list. You can come here and do print or come here and say item plus what have you. It has to be an indent space away from the last part of your code editor, just one tab away, and then you can now write your code. So that's how indentation works in Python. Indentation works with if, with for loop, with while loop as well. Create a while loop, maybe while true. You have to indent and write whatever statement you want to write. If the condition is true, you have to indent away from it. It's when you're done with it, then you can continue. This means all these statements will run when this condition is true. This condition will run when the interpreter gets to this line. But as far as this while loop is concerned, for this statement to run, they have to be indented. So you have to use an indentation. So for loop, if and while loop, you have to use indentation within your code so that it can run as it should run. So that's pretty much about indentation in Python. See you in the next class.